All right, with all four of us in the field, we can start our introductions on the Blue Alliance. We have Team 4087 Midwest Burger Prairie Banditos, ranked 9. We have Team 731 Radioactive, ranked 4. On our Red Alliance, we have Team 3189 Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly, currently ranked 1st in the rankings. And Team 7053, 3 Tall Men Robotics at 10th ranking. Looks like we've got a Red Alliance ready to go.
Ready?
And the Blue Alliance, we are ready to start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, with both sides coming alive during autonomous, we've got our pull-up bot without his triumphant arm raise this time. We've got Team 3189 moving to do their samples. Looks like they may still be tweaking their autonomous here.
Drivers, get up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Red with an impressive 20-point lead at the beginning of Teliot. Blue team with 4. Let's see if they can reel them back in here. On the red side, we have, and on the blue side, we have robots and human players working together to create specimens. Looks like 3 Tall Men Robotics is going for a basket. Low or high? Low. Looks like they've already got 2 in there. Seems like Red Alliance may be letting one of their robots take care of the basket side and one take care of specimens. Looks like we've got our pull-up bot here making his way across the field. Possibly playing some defense? Not sure.
My bad.
Whoa. We have on the blue side, the low specimen bar, we have 1 specimen scored. With 25 seconds left until endgame, and with climbs put in, it could still be anyone's guess on who's going to win. Looks like we've got Red Alliance starting to put up those specimens. 3 Tall Men Robotics looking for some style points with their breakdancing on that next side of the field. And we have endgame. Teams may start to climb. Looks like that pull-up bot is looking for grip. 15 seconds left. Who will be climbing? Is it Blue Alliance? 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last match here, match 18. Oh, sorry, match 17. And we have a Red Alliance victory, 94 to 25 points.